I've been eyeing this watch since it was released a few years ago, an Ana-Digi watch with a metal case, mineral crystal, and a stainless steel bracelet. And today we will finally unbox it. Welcome back to Sam's Watch Review. I might be a little late to the party, but here it is, the Casio MTP-VC01D. And this version comes with a black dial and a stainless steel bracelet. It looks really nice. The diameter is 41.6 mm including the crown, or about 39.5 mm without the crown. Here is the dial. It looks clean and simple with printed indices. There are hour and minute hands, but no second hand. The bracelet is stainless steel. It looks decent with a basic triple fold clasp. Now let me shorten the bracelet. I usually remove more links on one side, but you can adjust it based on your own preference. I'm using some basic tools, including long nose pliers. I cover the tips with masking tape to avoid scratching the bracelet. And after a few small mistakes, it's done. To be honest, I removed too many links on the wrong side, so I had to adjust it again. And now, here is how it looks on the wrist. Anyway, this video is just a quick unboxing and bracelet adjustment. I will wear this watch for some time to get a real experience, and a full review will come soon. If you want to know anything about the watch, feel free to drop a comment. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and I will see you in the next video. Have a great day.